Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another adventure with Dos Bros family here in sunny California. And if you have been watching our videos, you'll know that Dos Bros family is also a soccer family, and we're here for a tournament for one of the bros, and we're staying at this beautiful RV resort named Paradise by the Sea RV Resort in Oceanside. Don't forget to check out that other video after this one. This is a really cool spot. And just a few minutes from here, you will find all the Carlsbad beaches. And we'll show you around so you can check it out. Let's go. Here in Carlsbad, no matter which activity you enjoy, you'll find a beach that's perfect for it. Hiking, biking, diving, surfing, bear watching, rock hunting, and more. And the beach you're looking right now is the north side of the Carlsbad beaches. This one is a stretch from Oceanside border to the Pine Avenue near Carlsbad Village, jointly owned by the state and the coastal property owners. And this is the side where you will also find some small parking that you can find around the north side of the beach. However, this side of the beach, they do not have any lifeguard services, restrooms, showers, or any amenities, but it's a nice spot to take a walk on the beach. You will also find the offshore surf shop around this side. If you rent a property, you can also choose on this side if you decide to come and stay here on the Carlsbad side. And right next to it, you will find a little park where you can just come and hang out, read a book, or just come and enjoy the beautiful view of the beach.
And if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe so that YouTube can show this video to others. Also in the description, you can see ways to support our channel.
The site where Carlsbad State Beach is the one that we enjoy the most. And you can find free parking all along the pathway. Just always watch out for the parking signs, and also for bicyclists, because this is a very active city and you can see people just riding their bikes just along the bike ride and the path. Carlsbad State Beach offers an amazing view of the sunset every night. People just gather here at the north end of the beach on the bluff to watch the amazing sunset that sinks into the Pacific Ocean. So if you are here during the afternoon, make sure to make a quick stop here, and you can also watch the sunset from the lower walking path that they have just along the sand.
And you can see a lot of cute squirrels around. This one wanted to walk with us.
In this side of the beach, you will also find the lifeguard towers that are always on the lookout for your safety. Along this area, you will also find a restroom and a few rinse-off spigots. And in Carlsbad, if you like surfing, they got you. They have a place where it's specifically just for surfers. It was pretty windy today, but there were some surfers just showing off their skills. Carlsbad State Beach is also known as Tamarack Beach, and it's ideal to go have some fun with the whole family or friends. Many people also come to do some fishing off the Carlsbad jetties, both near the Tamarack Beach and the campground, which are located very close to this spot, and it's very popular during the summer. It's another great spot to be watching the sunset, or just come down from the stairs and be on the beach. And on this side, you will also find another parking that you can come and check out to see if you can find closer parking to the south side. And after a fun day at the beach, what a better time to go check out the restaurants that are here in Carlsbad Boulevard.
With lots of great choices like Dini's Bistro Restaurant and BJ Lucci's Restaurant Group just around the corner. Both great choices with Pacific Blue vistas of the Carlsbad Beach.
And check it out, guys. Carlsbad also has their own version of the White House.
That's a really pretty house, and you'll see beautiful houses all along the strand that show the lifestyle of Carlsbad City.
And before you guys leave, don't forget to check out these other two videos. In one, we will show you the cool RV resort we stayed at. Make sure to check it out because they had a nice pool and a game room, and it was less than a block away from the beach.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Dos Bros,
We out!